Access Module 3, Independent Challenge 2. Go ahead and open the file 3-4 in Access. Enable the editing. We're working with 4 tables and we want to create a query. So choose Create tab, and we're actually going to choose Query Design. And over on the right hand side are the 4 tables that you see over here in the objects. And we're going to select the 3 tables that we'll be using by double clicking. So activities, attendance, and volunteers. We won't need zip codes. So the first thing they want is first name, and that's out of the volunteers table. So double click first name, and it shows up, the field is first name, and it's from the table volunteers. Then we want last name, double click, and that's it from volunteers. From the attendance table, just completed. And then from the activities table, activity name and activity hours. We are going to sort, so by last name, so click in the sort section and then choose ascending. And then we want 2 particular criterias. The first one under activity name, click in criteria, and we want anything that has CPR in it, whether it's first aid and CPR or CPR and something else. So you want to put a wild card, which is that asterisk, CPR asterisk, before and after. So anything that has CPR in it will appear. In the activity hours criteria, we want anything that is greater than or equal to 7, so 7 or higher. Go ahead and click Run, and you should have 22 records. And here you have anything that has CPR before, that's the wild card, or after, but they all have CPR in them. In your activity hours, it's all 7 or greater. We're going to add one more column where we're going to take the activity hours and multiply it by 15. So click the Design View button, and we're going to fill in a new table heading. It's labor, space, and we're actually going to type the formula in here. It's the bracket, activity, hours, close the bracket, asterisk, multiply by 15, and then click Run. It's the same 22 records, and here's the activity hours times 15. And we're done. We'll save it, and this is actually called labor calculation. And it'll go under a query, and it's a save and submit. Thank you.